Hello friends, welcome back to the Surya Chess. So today I decided to start the series on Vishwanathan Anand's game. Those who don't know the Vishwanathan Anand, he became he became first grandmaster from the India, and he was world champion from 2007 to 2013. In 2013, Magnus Carlsen beat him, and Magnus Carlsen is the world champion since 2013. So we are going to see the game between Vishwanathan Anand and V in Q, which was played in Calcutta 1986. Let's begin the game. Game starts with the E4, C5, knight to F3, D6, D4, C takes on D4, knight takes on D4, knight to F6, knight to C3, defending the pawn here and developing the piece. Knight to C6, then bishops attacks to the knight on the G5, then pawns to E6, followed by queen to D2, bishop to E7. So in what is the idea behind this is white is going to castle long side and black is going to castle short side, king side. So castles. Then in this position, knight comes back. Now white don't want to exchange with the knight. Knight comes back here, and the main idea behind every opposite castle is that black starts pushing from the A side, that is the queen side, and white will start pushing the pawn this side. So there will be like the battle who is going to win in this way. So black start pushing the A5, which is defended by Vishy Anand by A4, and then in this position black started attacking the center, and bishop goes to here attacking the knight, but black says we don't want to exchange the knight here. So black plays the knight to b4, and here Vishy Anand starts making all the pieces toward the centralized and means defend it, the central pawn, but it get captured here. The idea behind this is means we are going to capture the coin, but it's defended twice. That's why we are not winning the piece. But yeah, it gets captured here. Rook's capture, and in this position Vishy Anand did not went for the rook's capture. It simply captures the pawn here. It cannot be captured because it's hanging piece, and in this position if it gets captured, it's showing the inaccurate move. So here white can simply take the bishop and attack the rook. So rook has to exchange here, and this is like the plus for advantage position for the white, where this is also attack. This can be taken here, but this is again a blunder. So why it is a blunder? Anyone can spot it? Yes, the term is called as back rank mate. So here it comes, and this is the mate. So that's why it cannot be captured here, and Vishy Anand already calculated all these stuffs, and he went for knight takes on e4, and here opponent decided not to go for the exchange of rooks, simply kept his knight on d5, but white started pushing the pawns, hitting the knight has to go back, and in this position white took the exchange the rooks, bishop captures on the rook and hitting the bishop here by taking the rook on the d file. Bishop has to come back to the e7, and this is the position where white started taking the advantage by capturing the knight here. This can be captured here. Captures is damage the opponent's structure, but opponents don't want to exchange this bishop, so they simply captures with the pawn. Bishops come back to the e3, which was not the best move, but Vishy played here for some different ideas. Knight, put the knight here and put he wanna place the knight here and take the bishops here like this way. So black started pushing the pawns here. So this was not the move. So in this position, black decided to take the bishop, and it has captured with the a pawn. And in this move, black decided to push the pawn, and knight goes to c5, which was not the best move, because computer is showing this is the best move to stop the pawns, but Vishy Anand has some different ideas, so he went with the knight to c5, which can be captured here, but it is defended. So black started pushing it, and Vishy Anand simply played the knight on the d7, which was not the best move. In this position, the pawn can be captured here. If it's captured, then rook comes here, it has to defend here, and it will capture here. So like this way, white can win the one pawn, but Vishy Anand played simply this move, where it's attack here. So black goes to attack on the bishop side. So bishop comes to b6, and okay, so where we are, yeah. So in this position, black pushed the pawn here and defends this pawn, as well as this is defended, so this cannot be captured with the knight. And now white simply plays the bishop on to the c7. If you push here, now this is the blockader here, and this may soon going to be the queen. So that's why black decided to capture the knight here. It gets captured here, and black plays bishop to c5. It's defendants just go away with the attack, but whites want to get rid of with the bishop. This can be captured, but black also decided to just go with this way. And in this position, white is having almost 3+ advantage. Black plays the move rook to c8, attacking this pawn, but white simply defended with the b3 pawn. And black started pushing the pawn here. Just if you capture here, this is the check. If you go here, and you can win the 2 pawns here, and it's like a draw position. So Vishy Anand did not went for that, and he simply took his king towards the pawns captures, king captures. And now in this position, king comes to f7, rook comes to d7, check, and hitting the pawn, and it's going to win the 2 pawns. So black king comes to the e6, pawn captures. In this position, black decided to move the pawns further, and white can simply go here by pushing the pawns further, but white also wants to be safe here. So white went to the a7, and in this position, black pushes the pawn further, captures. Then king comes to c3, which is trying to come here, but black cut off the king here. And in this position, white has to push the pawns further, but before that, whites want to just defend this square, because if it's not defended, then it's about to winning by the 2 squares away only. So after this, king comes here, pawn push, king comes here, pawn push, and here it's Vishy Anand who is 4.7+, and black goes here with the check, king comes here. So now here black wants to rid off with the rook, but Vishy Anand said, take it, no problem, I'll make the queen. It took here, it's a check, king has to go here, it's a check, king has this square, and Vishy Anand simply played the move. c5. In this position, opponent has just resigned because it's nothing to play in the game because it cannot get promoted here. Queen can simply give check here, and it's already hitting the rook. Rook has to go somewhere else. Rook cannot go here. Rook can go here, but simply again it's like a queen versus rook, means always a winning endgame for the white. So in this way, Vishy Anand won the match. So do let me know in the comments, guys, if you like the video. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.